Hey guys, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete VK account permanently. So now without any further ado, let's begin with the steps. So first of all, launch VK application on your mobile device. Now once you are here, make sure that you are logged on to your account. Now just at the top left corner beside home, you can see a circle icon with your profile picture on it. Now simply tap on that circle icon. Now once you come here, just tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Now simply tap on Edit Profile on top. Now once you are here, simply select the option of Security. Now let's wait for some time. Now once you are here on the page of Security and Login, scroll down till the bottom and then simply tap on the option of Delete VK ID Account. Now simply tap on the option of Delete Account. Now just wait for some time again. And you can see that within no time your account has been deleted. Also, if you read the information stated, you can definitely restore your account between the mentioned time period and between the mentioned time date. If the time limit exceeds this mentioned time period, then you won't be able to restore your VK account. So you can simply log into your VK account using your credentials and then you will be able to restore your account. So in my case, my account will permanently be deleted after November 18, 2024. So for now, let's tap on the option of sign out at the top right corner. So now after that, you'll come to this page. You can see that your profile picture has deleted, which means that your account of VK has been deleted. So if you tap on the gear icon, you will see a cross icon just at the left side corner of your profile picture. If you tap on it and then tap on the option of delete at the bottom, your saved information of your deleted VK account will also be removed. If you want to restore your account again, simply enter your credentials of your previous account and then you will be able to log in or restore your account. Or you can simply sign up for a new VK account. And that's all for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.